Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today's video obviously is a different setup. This is going to be more so of a Valentine's Day get ready with me. And basically you guys, the only thing that I'm going to be doing is just my makeup. I am fresh face, nothing on my face at all. And yeah, and then I also too will show you the outfit that I've chosen to wear for Valentine's Day. But obviously, though, this is being pre-recorded, and Valentine's Day, if I'm not mistaken, is next Tuesday. But yeah, you guys. But other than that, though, I will have all items listed and linked in my description box below. And of course, I could never, ever, ever start another video without thanking everyone for being a part of this incredible YouTube journey. Thank you so much. But other than that, though, you guys, let's go ahead and get started with this Valentine's Day get ready with me look. Okay, you guys. So I'm actually going to be doing a voiceover for the rest of this like little get ready with me section of this video. But anyways, obviously you can see that I'm just basically applying my foundation. I do use the Lancome Idol. I think that's how you say it. I know it's the Lancome Idol foundation and I am in the shade 470 Suede C. You guys, I have literally been using this foundation since I was in college. Fun fact about that. I actually worked at a department store when I was in college. And at this department store, I actually worked in like the makeup section and the fragrance section. But yeah, you guys, enough about the makeup, well, foundation part of this little video. But obviously, you can see got a little preoccupied, ended up getting a text message in the middle of me doing my makeup. And yeah, you can see I'm still dragging out that little text message conversation that I was having. But yes, you guys, I should just let you know up front like, I am no way in any shape, fashion, or form like a certified makeup artist. I just do what works for me. You guys, I try to keep my makeup look very simple, yet very basic. But yeah, you guys, as you can see, I'm still applying that foundation, applying it, applying it, applying it. And yeah, still applying it, trying to blend it out. You guys, comment below if you know any like different foundations that I can try. I tend to have like very oily prone skin. So it's like when I do my makeup it looks like flawless like when I leave like the house. But you guys, oh my goodness, that shine from just having oily skin, kid you not, it breaks through in like an hour. And then what I typically do is because I do wear glasses, I do tend to put my glasses on from like time to time just to check and make sure that my makeup is very well blended because who's trying to go out in public, literally just having one side of their face done and the other side of their face not done. But yeah, you guys, as you can see, I'm now just applying powder. I do believe this powder is actually from the Lip Bar. It's one of those little, I think it's like a 4-in-1 type kind of palette. You get like a contour, a blush, also too, just like a overall like face powder and a highlighter too. I absolutely love this palette from the Lip Bar. I also love too that it is black owned. It is so 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 incredible. Like I think her name is Melissa Butler. She's the CEO of the Lip Bar. Her products are phenomenal. I remember seeing her story on YouTube, as a matter of fact. I think it was like YouTube a couple years ago, where she and her, I'm guessing it was like her partner, her like counter cohort partner within her business, they went onto Shark Tank and they talked about, the lip bar, I think it was like lipstick products. And, who would have ever known them turning down her product? And, look at what it's literally done for her today. I mean, she's a freaking millionaire. I love the Lip Bar and Melissa Butler's products. But yeah, you guys, I'm just still going back in on my face, applying that little palette. And then here I am, of course, doing like another check just to make sure everything is just blended out. Now, I know my face, it may look a little bit darker versus like my chest, but I'm telling you, you guys, you have to trust the process. Trust the process. And then I noticed like when I was doing my makeup later on, I do also use like another little pressed powder, also too by Lancome. Y'all, this pressed powder, I honestly I need to throw it away. I mean, look at it. I need to throw it away. I've literally had it since last year. You know, me realizing makeup, it does actually expire. There are like expiration dates on makeup. So shame on me. And then I proceeded to still go ahead and use the pressed powder by Lancome. But yes, I love Lancome's products. I love the lip bar. And then right here, I'm just basically doing like some concealer, under eye concealer. I do tend to have like a little darkness underneath my eyes. And then I'm just doing like a little, concealer at the top. I know sometimes I can go like a little bit overboard with the concealer on the top. And then now I'm just simply just blending it out with a beauty blender. I do believe, you guys, if I'm not mistaken, this concealer is by e.l.f. And yes, please don't comment me like in the comment section. I do believe this concealer is probably like over a year old. I know, you guys. That is just so, unsanitary. And I know it's just not healthy either because once again, makeup, it does expire. There I am doing like another check. Also, too, just wanting to make sure, it's blended out. I like using the concealer and I don't even know if I'm using it the right way, but I can tell the difference like in my makeup. Me adding concealer under the eyes and then on like my forehead, it definitely does bring like a little bit of light to my face. And right here, I'm just simply going in over the concealer and just putting a little bit of the setting powder by Fenty Beauty, Rihanna's products. Love them. I will say I'm currently hooked on this banana setting powder. I do believe it's in the shade Honey, and I absolutely love it. It to me, it's perfect. It's perfect for, my complexion and then especially going in and blending out the concealer. I like it. It definitely gives me light to my face. Another check, of course, with my glasses. I like it. And yeah, you guys, now what I'm basically doing is just going back in with that lip bar palette and I'm just doing like a little contour. I know, you guys, I can tend to be a bit heavy handed when it comes to contour. And that is something that honestly I have been just bad at doing since I can remember when I started doing my makeup. And then I like to do like a little, contour like around like the top of my hairline. I'm kind of trying my best to blend that out like a little bit just to add, like a little bit of more of like a warmth color to my face. Of course, we're doing another check. I'm having to go back in and blend it out a bit. I was noticing it looked a little harsh. So that's why you see me like turning from side to side like that. So I just simply took a beauty blender. Yes, right there, you guys. Took a little beauty blender, kind of tried to like blend that out a little bit. I tried, you guys. Like when I tell you I literally tried. So yeah, we're gonna go with that. Cause I mean it doesn't really look that bad. So yeah, we're just gonna make it work. And then right here, you guys, I simply was just debating as to whether or not I should use this NYX setting spray. I went ahead and used it anyways. Fun fact, you guys, I've actually had the setting spray since my trip to LA, California last year. I ended up buying like travel size everything and didn't end up using it. And then obviously, if you know, with setting spray, you do kind of have to like fan, the setting spray out so that I can dry. This is the matte setting spray, by the way. Typically, I don't even use setting spray, you guys, but I just decided to go ahead and use it that day. And right here, what I'm doing, I'm just simply putting up all of my makeup products because I'm just that type of person. I can't just leave like makeup products just all just scattered around like my little workstation area that I'm working with. I am like such a neat freak. So yeah, you guys, I am just simply putting away all of my makeup products. I honestly need to wash my makeup products like the brushes, all that sort of stuff. And then basically, you guys, of course, another check. I think the look, it looks decent. It's, presentable. And then right here, I did want to go ahead and finish it off with a lip color. This is the Fenty lip color by Rihanna. I actually purchased this during her Black Friday week sale. And then I actually went in with just like a top lip gloss also too by Fenty Beauty Rihanna. I'll have to link both of these shades. The lipstick shade is actually matte, matte, you guys. And then the lip gloss, it is like a liquid. I love the combination of the reds. So yeah, you guys, like I said, this is the finished look. I think it actually turned out pretty good, you guys. But yeah. Okay, you guys. So this is the finished look. Obviously, this is my makeup. I tried to keep it as simple as possible. By no means am I a certified makeup artist. This is what works for me. This is what I do. And then the outfit, you guys. These are actually pieces that I've already had. I know it's supposed to be like a Valentine's Day get ready with me, but you know what? I was feeling like those summer and spring vibes. So, yes, you guys, I just opted for this Tommy jeans bandeau top. Only thing I don't really like about this top is the bottom part. Like, you can't really see the actual jeans little logo thing, but it's whatever. And then I just paired it with these like dark, oh, I just paired it with these dark denim like jeans with these little booties. You should already know these jeans are from the one and only fashionova.com. But yes, you guys, this is the final look. Thank you so much for watching my get ready with me Valentine's Day type kind of look. Like I said, you guys, just trying to keep it really simple and plain. This is the fit, this is the makeup, and I do hope you enjoyed this video. And as I mentioned before earlier, you guys, all in stock items will be listed and linked below in my description box. Please like, subscribe, comment, and until next time, bye.